I'm Dr. Anastasiya Vella. Are frustrating seasonal bugs constantly stalling your hard-earned gym progress? Let's fix that. There's literally nothing worse than losing your consistency, strength, and recovery time to a seasonal illness, right? Enter the Taiga Pharmacy. Vilavi's T8 blend is a concentrated shield straight from the wild Siberian taiga. It literally transforms a weak, vulnerable cell into an impenetrable cellular fortress, totally optimizing your metabolic defenses. Okay, let's dive into this. The patented SibXP Complex delivers bioavailable polyprenols to quickly repair damaged mitochondrial membranes. These plant lipids rapidly convert to mammalian dolichos in your liver, structurally sealing microgaps in your cell membranes. So, the crucial point is, sealing those gaps stops proton leaks, massively restoring cellular ATP energy for workouts. This is supercharged by 6 wild Siberian berries, packed with highly bioavailable anthocyanins to boost your system. Sea buckthorn aggressively attacks viral shells, while lingonberry acts as a natural detoxifying antiseptic for your body. Meanwhile, bilberries and blueberries deliver powerful flavonoids. These protect blood vessels, improve microcirculation, and reduce exercise-induced swelling. Honeysuckle maintains crucial water-salt balance for muscle contractions, and cranberry aggressively fights off any post-workout inflammation. To protect those fitness goals, the protocol is incredibly simple. You just need exactly 30 milliliters daily. Take it neat or mix it into a cool drink. Just remember, never use hot liquids. Don't let seasonal bugs steal your gains. Build your Taiga Fortress today. Ready to outsmart 6 season?